everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about an exclusive luxury residential development, Purva Orient Grand by Purvankara, located on Lal Bagh Main Road in Sudama Nagar, Bengaluru. So in this video, we are going to talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with a project overview. Purva Orient Grand is an ultra-luxury residential development designed for home buyers who value space, exclusivity, connectivity, and a prestigious central Bengaluru address. Spread across approximately 1.15 acres, this premium development features a single iconic residential tower rising up to 24 floors above ground, along with a two-basement level for parking and services. The project offers a limited collection of spacious residences, ensuring a more private and exclusive living experience. And one of the standout features of the project is its thoughtfully designed homes, which offer expansive layouts, large balconies, premium specification, and a beautiful city view. The development has been planned to deliver a perfect balance of luxury, privacy, and urban convenience. As per the current project timeline, possession is expected around June 2027. And one of the biggest advantage of Purva Orient Grand is its location. Situated on Lal Bagh Main Road in Sudama Nagar, the project enjoys excellent connectivity to Bengaluru's central business hub, major commercial hubs, educational institutions, healthcare facilities, and lifestyle destination. Lal Bagh Botanical Garden is approximately 7 minutes away, while Cubbon Park can be reached in around 6 minutes. Richmond Road is about 9 minutes away, MG Road is approximately 15 minutes away, and UB City Mall is around 7 minutes away from the project. Bengaluru City Railway Station and Majestic Bus Station are both roughly 15 minutes away. This central location allows residents to enjoy the convenience of city living while remaining close to some of the Bengaluru's most iconic landmarks. Now let's talk about the lifestyle offering. So Purva Orient Grand offers thoughtfully curated collection of amenities designed to enhance everyday living and provide a luxury lifestyle experience for residents of all age groups. Project features a clubhouse, infinity swimming pool, fully equipped gym, multi-purpose court, children play areas. Whether you are looking for fitness, recreation, relaxation, or social spaces, the project offers a wide range of amenities designed to create a vibrant and active community. Moving on to the residences, so Purva Orient Grand offers spacious 3 and 4 BHK luxury homes. The 3 BHK residences range from approximately 1,992 square feet to 2,262 square feet, with the prices starting from 6 crore rupees onwards. For those looking for larger homes, the 4 BHK ultra luxury residences range from approximately 2,338 square feet to 3,320 square feet, with the prices starting from 7.50 crore rupees onwards. The residences have been designed with a spacious layout, premium finishes, large windows, excellent ventilation, and abundant natural light to create an elevated living experience. So why should you consider Purva Orient Grand? So the project offers a prime address of Lal Bagh Main Road, spacious luxury residences, a boutique single tower development, premium lifestyle amenities, and excellent connectivity to Bengaluru's CBD and key landmark, combined with the trust of Purvankara and the exclusivity of limited residences. It presents a compelling opportunity for both end users and long-term investors. So this was our overview of Purva Orient Grand Lal Bagh Main Road, Bengaluru. So if you are looking for an ultra luxury home in a prime central Bengaluru location with a spacious residences, premium amenities, excellent connectivity, and a prestigious address, then Purva Orient Grand is definitely worth considering. For the brochure, latest pricing, detail, payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.